Hey guys, it's Teairawalker and welcome to my at-home pamper routine. Self-care starts from within, so make sure you are taking care of yourself, taking care of your health. Today's video is brought to you by Teaira Vitamins. These vitamins are vegetarian, gluten-free, sugar-free. They do have 3 multivitamin options and 5 targeted blends customized just for you. Vitamins are a must for me and my lifestyle. They help me feel better. They help with the nutrients that I could be lacking or missing. Health is wealth, and as you age, you understand that on a different level. And you can just feel the difference when you're taking vitamins versus when you're not. I take my multivitamins every day and the immunity every day. Sometimes I take focus and sleep. But for today's video, I will be using the relaxation vitamins because that's what today is all about. It's about relaxing and kicking your feet up. This is a new line sold exclusively at Target. If you guys are interested, you can click the link below for 20% off the Care of line at Target, available only this week. Now let's get into the rest of the video. I feel like my bathroom is my sanctuary. You want to set the mood right, get the ambiance right, make it smell good. I like to start off with lighting some candles, and this already makes you feel so much better. And this is like the best part of my night, honestly. Then I'm going to take some Epsom salt, and this has eucalyptus in it and it smells good and it just makes you so relaxed. And then I'm going to take my Kylie Skin bubble bath, and I really like this bubble bath. Then I'm going to start the shower. I always get in the shower before I take a bath. I usually wash my hair, but I washed my hair this morning. You want to do whatever makes you feel good. If that's shaving, if that's exfoliating. Exfoliating to me makes me feel the best. Shaving, washing your hair, just whatever you need to do to feel better. And when you get out the shower, you should like rinse all that stress or whatever you're going through away. And now I'm going to give myself a facial. I love giving myself at-home facials. I love to steam my face. It just makes me feel amazing. It makes me feel like I brought the spa to my home. Then I wash my face, and I won't go too in detailed with what I'm doing because I do have a skincare routine. Then I'm gonna do an at-home chemical peel, and I'm just gonna apply that and brush my teeth. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to apply the step 2 to my chemical peel. And I moisturize my lips. Stay moisturized, stay hydrated, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'm just going to apply some more skincare, and then I'm going to apply a face mask. This is another way to just feel so amazing, so relaxed. You're doing something beautiful for yourself. I am the queen of self-care. I just love to spoil myself and apply mask all day, take bubble bath. This is my 3rd bath in a week, you guys. I'm gonna spoil myself. If no one spoils me, I will do it for myself. Now the bubble bath, I like to watch movies. I know this is a little dangerous, but I like to live life on edge sometimes. I also read books. I usually drink wine, but I am on a cleanse right now. You can do anything to help you relax. I also like to just lay in the bath, soak my body, and relax. Sometimes I pray, I think. I just like to be free and be happy and enjoy this moment. So once I get out the bath, I have to moisturize my body. I'm gonna take the Skin Butter Honey Almond Butter and moisturize my body. I have super dry skin, so hydrating my body is a must before I get in bed. Once I'm done, I come to the room, make sure my candle is lit, the ambiance is right. I like to drink my tea, watch a show, watch a movie, and just relax and enjoy this moment and these moments. And I feel amazing when I have my self-care nights. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you. Take care of yourself, stay beautiful, and I will see you next time.